Yet amid the ruins, resilience emerged. Neighbors guarded each other's homes. Teachers began makeshift classes in tents. Volunteers mapped damaged areas with drones and tablets, guiding engineers and relief teams. Local police patrolled against looting, while small market stalls reopened, selling rice and batteries. The twin quakes rippled through the economy. Each fractured road became another obstacle to recovery. For a region still rebuilding from past storms, the blow was heavy, yet communities pressed on, brick by brick. 7 dead, hundreds injured, nearly 500,000 lives disrupted. But behind every number stood a story: a teacher comforting children, a farmer salvaging a roof, a nurse refusing to rest.